Okay, so item C is fact sheet nuisance abatement ordinances.
I brought this matter a couple of weeks ago or a month or so ago to see whether our office to begin working on the fact sheet for the ordinances. And at that time, the direction was to table it to see if the ordinances were going on for referendum. And so now that we have, some direction to go forward with whether or not to go forward with the fact sheet. And this would just be probably pamphlets or something which would be handed out or placed at the offices which explain what the ordinances are and what they do and what they don't do. By the Secretary of State's office, they are required to be non-persuasive and just factual.
I mean, the difficulty is that we have already determined we are going to not do a voter's pamphlet. We're going to just do a listing of the flyer, which has the verbiage of the ordinances. So, I mean, I'm just thinking out loud, it's always dangerous. If we invest the time and money to provide a fact sheet, which is, and to print that up, there we add to the money and again, and that's something that we don't have a lot of. I don't know how valuable that would be. I think it would be good to have, well, but that's the same, I'm just saying online or something. If people could access it, if they wanted to access it. I would not.
Printing cost is all that substantial. It's the staff time that it takes to compile,
Yeah.
a non-advocating.
Hmm.
And at the end of the day, it's still going to be construed with the board exactly.
Oh, yeah, yeah, sure.
From the perspective of the Highway Department and the Environmental Department, they have seen a lot of misinformation in a lot of
That's what I'm thinking. I wasn't thinking about it as being a distribution to the public. I was thinking about, because people are getting phone calls and questions,
Right.
that our own departments would be able to say, look at this paragraph, whatever. I wasn't thinking about it being a distribution piece. I was thinking about it being an information piece. I mean, what anybody chooses to do with it is something else. But, the head of the health department and, whatever department people call or planning or whatever, neither do they have the staff to go through and read all of these and find the answers. And so there's one source of it, and we provide that to the heads of our department. Some people call in and say, well, I hear it's going to say this. They refer them to such and such paragraph because this is what it is, whatever. It's a factual piece of the departments.
I do think it is important that we speak it in one voice as far as the county goes. That would be an advantage there, not to have, somebody in their best effort, but saying something different from what it might be and that kind of thing. So we have a consensus at least of what's being said. So I'm not sure how much time is involved in developing something, just an answer sheet or.
I've received a draft. It just takes like a couple hours to review it and push it up. It could be a giant project. Where did the draft come from? That came from the